Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ray here again with ya. Today I want to shoot you a quick video. Well, it's a little undercover video, detective work in. It's pretty bright out, right? So I'm trying to I don't want to get in a fight with these drivers because in case they think I'm snooping. Well, I am snooping, right? So we're gonna investigate how they tie their loads down, okay? So this is a low bed and he's carrying some generator. So and then there is a auto transporter here. It's kind of like the worst time I choose to do this because the driver for this truck is doing some push-ups by his cab. But let's see what we got here. Okay, so as you can see, here in Michigan. How's it going, bud? No downtime, eh, from the gym?
I just did 100 push-ups, about to do another 100.
100 push-ups?
700.
I'm shooting a video. I have a YouTube channel. Well, what state are you from?
Huh?
What state are you from?
I can't call me back.
Okay. Oh, you're on the phone. Sorry.
Right now, Georgia.
Georgia. Nice.
100 push-ups.
So being on the road don't stop you from doing your workout. Wow.
Not a whole lot. It's slowing me down.
Okay.
So I put my feet against the stairs.
Yeah. Yeah, I was surprised to see you in the sun just working out, man. Good.
Do another 100.
And do your walk around check at the same time. Nice. It's my friend, he's from Georgia. He's driving the flatbed.
49 years old in a couple of weeks.
49, man. Looking good at 49.
49 in a couple of weeks.
Nice to meet you.
All right, bro.
Take care. Yeah, so as you can see, he strapped down his load pretty well. Alright, so he's working, exercising. It's his 49th birthday. It's looking good. Alright, so see all his stuff is strapped down properly. Straps. Alright, there he is again. 49 years. Push-ups, 700 in a day. Alright, so we got caught there, but nice guy. This is the auto transporter guy. Got a Mercedes-Benz on here. Yes, and what is this? Camaro SS. How's it going, boss? I have a YouTube channel. I'm shooting a video. I'm just checking out your car. Is that cool? Yeah. So here we have the truck stop. Drivers are a whole different world, guys. At the truck stop, see this guy is fixing his trailer. He has the Camaro SS on here. Yeah, auto transporter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 8 cars he can carry on this. 7 or 8 cars. He has the SS. Wow, she's a beauty. As you can see, the tires are strapped. Let's check out the Mercedes. No, it's not the Benz. It's the GX470 V8 Lexus. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's pretty secure here. Hooked into the ground. All the four. So on the